To get started with the Afterpay Developer API, first, you need to create an account on the Afterpay website and apply for a developer account. Once your account is approved, you will receive a merchant ID and API keys, which are required to authenticate your API requests. Next, you need to choose the API endpoint you want to use, such as the payment endpoint or the order endpoint. Afterpay provides a range of API endpoints for different purposes, including creating payments, retrieving payment status, and canceling payments. To authenticate your API requests, you need to include your API keys in the request headers. You can do this by adding the API key to the authorization header of your request. Afterpay uses a standard HTTP authentication protocol, so you can use any HTTP client library to send requests to the API. When sending a request to the Afterpay API, you need to include the required parameters, such as the payment amount, payment method, and customer information. You can find a list of required parameters in the Afterpay API documentation. Afterpay also provides a sandbox environment for testing your API integration. The sandbox environment allows you to test your API requests without affecting live payments. You can use the sandbox environment to test different scenarios, such as successful payments and failed payments. To handle errors and exceptions, you need to implement error handling in your code. Afterpay returns error codes and messages in the API response, which you can use to handle errors and exceptions. You should also implement logging and monitoring to track API requests and responses. Best practices for using the Afterpay Developer API include using secure protocols, such as HTTPS, to encrypt your API requests. You should also use a secure method to store your API keys, such as a secure key store or a secrets manager. In terms of security, Afterpay requires you to comply with the payment card industry data security standard, which requires you to implement certain security controls to protect customer payment information. You should also implement authentication and authorization mechanisms to protect your API integration from unauthorized access. Overall, the Afterpay Developer API is a powerful tool for integrating Afterpay payments into your application. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can successfully integrate the Afterpay API into your application and start accepting Afterpay payments.